Fresh turmeric pickle is one of the most simplest pickle made with just few ingredients. This is the Gujarati recipe for turmeric pickle which is often served with regular meals. So let's see how to make it. Hi everyone, Jai Shri Krishna is Nirali here. This is the simplest form of any pickle because it has no cooking involved, no oil and no spices at all. So let's welcome this winter with some fresh turmeric and mango ginger pickle, shall we? I got some fresh turmeric and mango turmeric from Indian grocery store and I will make pickle using both of them. To make this pickle, proportion for both the roots keep same. Step first is to peel them. Turmeric stains everything yellow, so keep the same plastic sheet beneath in which you bought it to avoid stains. Before you start peeling any roots like turmeric, mango ginger or ginger, make sure you break all the small branches on them, that way it will be quite quicker to peel. And usually during winters, fresh turmeric roots are seen in abundance. Large fresh turmeric roots actually helps in peeling. Well, I am done peeling here. Just lift the entire plastic, no stains, clean and clear work surface. Transfer all the peeled fresh turmeric roots into a glass bowl. Likewise, same goes for mango ginger. First keep the same plastic sheet beneath in which you bought it to avoid stains. And I will keep a little amount of it aside and make paste of it along with some ginger, and that paste I will make to use green garlic curry during entire winters. Mango ginger is an Ayurvedic spice used for the treatment of joint pain, itching in the skin, indigestion, cough and wounds. And I love the taste of this amla haldi as it raw also a lot. As I told you earlier, break all the small branches first to speedify the spilling. So here the mango ginger is peeled and just pick the plastic sheet, and now both the roots are ready to clean with water. To clean these roots, add water to the bowl to wash away any skin or dirt remains from both the roots. Now since they are nice and clean, I will place them on a towel paper and rub and dry them. While need to slice them quickly or else they will turn black. Time to slice the mango ginger and turmeric roots. You can slice it with knife certainly, or simply just follow me. A regular vegetable chopper nicer dicer helps me to make juliennes of these roots in just no time. Fast and no mess at all. And yes, if you have long roots, then cut it first into half, tuck them in the blades and just press. As you can see, it's that easy. And here, since turmeric roots juliennes are ready, we'll transfer them into a glass bowl. Likewise, I will do for the mango ginger as well. To make juliennes, if long roots, cut them first into half, tuck into the blades and just press. One quick tip which I really think will be helpful is, while you press, you will need to clear away the residue couple of times as shown, or else it won't press. And this goes for any vegetable you chop, certainly, yes. The only prepping work you need to do is peel and slice the fresh turmeric roots, and both are done as shown. To prepare this pickle, simple basic ingredients: salt, mustard seeds powder and either limes or lemons will be needed. You know what, for extreme weight loss, you can take 2 slices of fresh turmeric roots and a glass of warm lemon water early morning on empty stomach straight for 2 months. Alternatively, you can take it night 1 hour post dinner with warm glass of lemon juice. Trust me, not only weight loss, but you will see magnificent results in your overall health. For the proportion of the roots, I am taking juice of 2 large limes. You may also use lemon juice instead. I am using my manual juicer to extract the lime juice with ease, and under a minute I have fresh lime juice ready to be added in the pickle. To the fresh turmeric and mango ginger, add juice of 2 limes, 1 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt and crushed mustard seeds 1 teaspoon. Now you can also make this pickle using salt and lemon juice if you don't find or don't have mustard seeds powder. I have right now mustard seeds powder. Mustard seeds is a wonder condiment which helps to ferment the pickle and will deliver tiny burst of sweet flavor in each bite of your pickle. That said, it's completely optional if you can't find it. As displayed, cover the lid and toss it multiple times so lemon juice covers all turmeric roots. And now it's ready to fill in a clean sterilized mason jar or any tight glass jar. Fresh turmeric has many medicinal properties. Turmeric is the most common and known home remedy to fight flu, cough, and cold. Curcumin is the main active ingredient in turmeric, and it has powerful anti-inflammatory effects and is very strong antioxidant. It also helps in reducing the symptoms of arthritis and depression. Overall, turmeric is extremely healthy if consumed during winters. All set, let's spoon everything in a clean sterilized jar. Close the jar with its lid and keep it into the fridge. Shake the jar every day. After 6 days, the pickle will be ready to serve. However, if you wish, you can consume it straight away too. Serve a very small portion, about 3 to 4 teaspoons of one fresh turmeric pickle with any Indian meal. This turmeric pickle stays good for about 2 months in the refrigerator. I hope you will give this one a try. That's all to share from my end. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and comments or feedbacks leave in the comment section below. See you all real soon with more amazing recipes. Till then, God bless and stay connected. Bye bye.